our project ID is Project Gen 25. Our project ID is Design and Fabrication of Shuttle Machine and Furnace. So the main motto of our project is to reduce the plastic waste in the environment. So first we are going to collect the plastic waste in the environment, and these are the plastic waste which are collected from our nearby environment that we are getting from our surroundings. And after collecting this plastic, we are cutting those plastics into small pieces using this shredder machine. This shredder machine consists of two stationary blades and one rotating blades, which help in cutting the plastics into small pieces. After that, these gears helps in rotating of these two gears helps for rotating the blades, and it is the handle manually by which we can operate it manually, and we used to collect all the plastic waste from the bottom side. So after getting all the plastic waste, just we are coming to next like furnace. So this is our first model which we have done this, and here we have just binded it with the copper and coated it with the POP, and from this from the bottom we are getting the plastic mount. And but due to the problems that it is having, like the efficiency is low, like all the heat due to the losses of the heat transfer, it requires much of the energy. So we have gone to our second model which we have, right, and this is done with the stainless steel, and we are using the band heaters for heating this furnace. And by this point we are inserting all the plastic and also popping out the mold from the bottom side. And coming to the next, by utilizing the bottom, whatever we have got the mounts. So from here, it is the mold pattern which we are designing in college. So here we have taken this pattern. If you want to reduce the size, we can also use like this, so that we can, if you put the bond between this, so we can make the pattern easily. Process of our present design and fabrication of shuttle machine and furnace. The plastic waste which we have collected from our surroundings, we are using this, and by this we are just going to crush. I have taken one of this piece, and we are just going to crush this at the first initial stage, like this, and okay. We are just going to crush this, but due to the lack of the sleeves, but due to the coronavirus, there is a lack of the sleeves in the market, so that's why we have just done manually. And from this we used to cut the plastic into small pieces, and here are a few of the samples which we get from these plastic samples, like the small pieces. It is cutted up to 1 centimeter or 2 centimeter. They are all tiny pieces. Okay. So what we do is these tiny pieces which we have used, and we are going to put this in this this furnace. And from this furnace we are going to heat it by using the electricity power supply. And from this, as I initially said, that it is purely winded in the copper and coated in the POP, so that the heat transfer can't be should be effectively used. But the problem is that due to this, the most of the heat transfer is destabilizing, means it is not utilized correctly. So we have just updated the model to the next model. That is, this stainless steel hold the temperature very good compared to the previous furnace. So we are using band heaters for heating this furnace, and these band heaters, by these band heaters, we are going to heat it up to required temperature. Means it depends on what type of plastic we are going to heat it. Means all the plastics have their own temperature of melting. So after putting the plastic small pieces of the plastic, we are getting the bonds from the bottom side. These from the bottom side, whatever bond we are getting, it is in the form of liquid phase. So that liquid phase should be utilized very perfectly. So okay, whatever the mold we are getting from the bottom, we are utilizing these molds to make the useful product which are required for our peoples or us. So by this, the water molds we are getting, we are collecting here down, and we are using this type of patterns. As you can see this, we are using this kinds of pattern, whatever we want, which size we want, and this is one type of pattern which we have made in our college. So we are using this like hexagon pattern, and we can also reduce this by putting these bars inside. And few of the samples I like to show you, like this one is used by using this material, so we have put it down inside like this, so it can be easily made. So this like pentagon, it is in the form of this, and it is one of the smoothest pattern which we have got in the initial stage. We can also, it is very lightweighted, and it is also very strong as compared to other materials, and it can be also utilized in making the bricks, which is more stronger compared to the other bricks which are sold now in the market. So I refer that these materials can be used in the market very efficiently if it got its own value. We can see the most of the plastic waste around us, due to which many of the environment got affected. Even the animals are getting affected by this. We can see most of the animals we have got most of the affected, most of the animals have been affected, and they also died due to this plastic pollution. So by these advantages which we get from our project is the plastic materials which are abundantly available, which doesn't even don't require that much of efforts to collect those in our environment actually. So by collecting these plastics, we can recycle them and reduce the energy usage in our environment. It also helps to reduce the usage of fresh raw materials in the market, and it also reduces the air and water pollution from the landfills. And plastic recycling helps us to reduce the amount of the waste which we send to the landfills, which we water and fill in the land. It also affects the land in one or the other way after many years of burying them. An effective way of transporting waste plastic materials is also utilized by cutting them into small pieces in the shredder machine. By cutting those materials in small shredder machine, we can reduce the size of the material plastic waste, so that we can also use the transport from one place to another place. And it can be also utilized in a lot of the applications, like it was also utilized in making the roads and making the plastic materials which are required as required, and it's had the most strength as compared to any other materials which we use, and also lightweight. So I request you to go with this plastic waste and collect them and utilize it in an effective way, so that it also help in improving our environment. Project means this project is mainly applicable for the conversion of waste plastic into the useful products like plastic stakes, decorative systems, and many other products, and producing plastic bricks with a various percentage of the sands as required, and producing plastic writing pads which we use for normally writing purpose, and effective way of transporting the waste plastic materials after shredding the plastics. It is also used to make the plastic tools, and nowadays plastic materials also used to concrete, to increase the strength of the concrete, and also it is also can be used